It is important to grasp the conditions of the engine by regularly and continuously checking the combustion data in order to maintain good engine performance. Here, I'll explain the procedure for measuring maximum combustion pressure, Pmax, and that it is one of the most important items for checking the engine performance. To measure Pmax, prepare the specialized tools that you are watching in the video. First, apply anti-burnout agent to the threads beforehand. Open the valve of pressure indicator cock by turning the handle and lightly gunning it a couple of times. Fix the indicator and close the exhaust valve of the indicator. Fully open the valve of the indicator cock by the turning handle and close the valve when the pressure becomes highest. After reading Pmax value, open the exhaust valve of the indicator to let out the pressure. When removing the pressure indicator, be sure to do it after the indicator needle reaches 0. Residual pressure could burn you.